I'm going to solder the new cord onto the coil. One thing that's important is to realize that the side that has this pole sticking out, that is the side that will go towards the clock face. So we could say this is the front, this is the back. And so I want to put these new wires here on this side. Okay, otherwise I'd have to drape it from here over like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this first wire through this terminal's hole in this terminal, and then I'm going to take some solder, my soldering gun, and just melt some solder on there to hold the wire in place. Now, the type of solder that I use, somebody recommended to me a while back, silver core solder. So it says silver bearing rosin core solder, and this has worked well for me. So now I've got the wire on there. I'll take my soldering gun and put some heat on that. And just take my solder, put it down on there. Okay, and I'm gonna come around here and put some on this side as well. And I freely admit I am not the best at doing this, but like I say, I think that it's such a basic kind of application, I don't believe it truly matters. So that's one, and now I'm just going to repeat the process on the other side. And then we're going to have a coil that's ready to go back on our rebuilt clock.